In this video, we'll learn how to make mango salmon ceviche. A staple of Peruvian cuisine, the ceviche is an excellent healthy way to eat salmon on hot summer days. For this recipe, you'll need 8 ounces or 225 grams of sushi-grade salmon cut into 1 centimeter or ½ inch cubes, 1 small ripe mango, a cup of sweet grape tomatoes, 1 orange, 2 lemons, half a red onion, a piece of ginger, a pinch of chili flakes, a cup of cilantro, salt flour or regular salt and olive oil to taste. Directions: squeeze the orange, squeeze the lemon, pour the juices into a bowl, peel the ginger and grate it into the bowl. Slice the onions very thinly and add it to the mixture. Mix well. Add the salmon. Mix again. Let it marinate in the fridge for about 45 minutes or more. Meanwhile, cut the tomatoes in half. Cut the mango into cubes, the same size as the salmon. After 45 minutes, take the salmon out of the fridge and pour some of the juice off. Add the grape tomatoes, mango, and half the cilantro. Mix gently. Plate the mix on a serving platter. Season with a drizzle of olive oil and salt flour to taste. Garnish with the remaining fresh cilantro and enjoy! Here on our channel we have other salmon recipes. The links are on the description. Before you make this recipe, remember that consuming raw or undercooked fish may increase your risk of foodborne illness, especially if you have certain medical conditions. If you decide to eat raw salmon, make sure it comes from a reliable source you know well. As always, thank you very much for watching. If you liked this video, you might also like one of the suggestions we've picked for you. Also, subscribe for more. We upload a new video every week discussing some of the most asked questions on and offline. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave it in the comments. It might become our next video. See you next time.